Okay, we're going to start this one by drawing a diagram. So it says the isosceles trapezoid, so that's giving us some information right there, is part of an isosceles triangle with a 34-degree vertex angle. Okay, so we have an isosceles triangle. Make that a little bit more exact. And we have an isosceles trapezoid that's part of that. So just to be clear, the isosceles trapezoid is right here, and it has two equal sides. So we know the vertex angle of the isosceles triangle is 34 degrees. And what do we know about these two base angles? They have to be congruent. So we know 2x plus 34 has to add up to 180, because if each of these are the same, together there would be 2x. So you solve that. And we end up getting x equals 73. So now that we know that this equals 73 degrees, and we know that these lines are parallel, so this same side interior, this x angle, and this one here, have to add up to 180 degrees. And you end up getting that y equals 107 degrees. So it says, what is the measure of an acute base angle? That would be 73 degrees. So remember, that's less than 90 degrees. And of an obtuse base angle, and that would be 107 degrees.